Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today for another episode of my honeymoon junk journal. Now, I have a confession to make. Yesterday, I came in my craft room. I thought, oh my gosh, I need to get on with my journal, and I was just pottering around. Well, 3 hours later, this is what's happened. So I haven't finished it yet, but I have done an awful lot to it, and so I just wanted to share that with you. I'm sorry I didn't film it all. I just started out doing a few bits, and the next thing I know, I'm like the mad scientist. There's a mess everywhere, and this is what's happened. So let me explain to you what I've actually done with this journal, and I just wanted to show you something quickly. Last year when we went to Greece, I came back with all of the things that you saw that I'd saved up from the holiday, but I also bought some things from Greece with thinking that I'm going to make a journal, you know, to store everything and for the memories. And so I came back with all of this lace from Greece, excuse me, postcards, and a lot of these dangle things and decorations and lots of goodies. So they've been in a bag for a year, and I thought it'd be a perfect time with this journal to use some of them. So oh my gosh, I had got so many gorgeous things. I thought I could use these on a journal. I mean, look, they're just stunning. They're beautiful. So I have all these, and I have these gorgeous doilies from Greece as well. Little place, you know, cup mats or place mats. Some crochet doilies, some bigger ones. And they were just sat in the bag, and I thought I'm going to keep this one for my wedding journal probably, or might use the gold one. And there's also these circle ones. So you get the idea. I came back with loads of things last year that I hadn't used. Greek lace. I bought these are for cutlery, and I thought these would be great for a pocket in a journal. They're a bit big for this journal, so I haven't used one yet. In fact, I may use one. We'll keep that one out. Right, I still have things to do in the journal anyway. I have done a lot, but the reason I wanted to explain that was so that you knew where this doily came from. So this is actually from Greece. So all I've done is just glue it to the fabric, and look, doesn't it look gorgeous? And this is one of those dangles. I'm not 100% happy with it because it doesn't sit properly, but I've got it as straight as I possibly can. I don't know if let me just zoom out a minute and show you. That's the dangle, but look, there are two little birdies on that dangle. So I thought that's really cute because it's like two lovebirds on the journal, and it's just got these lovely beads. I've sewn it into the doily, but it doesn't sit completely straight, but it does look lovely. What do you think? So that's the front and back cover, and it just looks so lovely. And then I've just put some green satin ribbon as an enclosure, and let me zoom back out or zoom back in, and I'll show you what I've done inside. So obviously I've sewn the signatures in. Now that is something I wouldn't do on camera anyway, because I get my knickers in a twist, and having it here, I have it on my lap. But it is the 3-hole pamphlet stitch. If you just put it in YouTube, 3-hole pamphlet stitch, there are quite a few people out there that can show you how to do it better than me. I have my own way of doing it, but oh my goodness me. So I have 2 signatures, and if you saw all the other videos, I've used old newspapers, letters, things that I saved from the last holiday. So I've used our boarding passes as pockets. I found this tag in paper chase. We are getting married, save the date. Haven't done anything on the back. I've left that to write on. What I've done is I've used some of my stickers. So I've got a little butterfly and hooray and glad I'm here next to Rhodes. And I've just put old tea dyed paper so I can write on every page. There are still some pages I need to do. So this one the same. I've just put some music paper and some coffee dyed paper there. I can write on there. I haven't done my stamping yet, which I should have done, but I did think I might get some of my other stickers out, and I still want to decorate more, and I've still got to make some tags and some journaling cards, so that's still to be done. So as you can see, I've just put coffee dyed paper over things. These are just some Project Life stickers. This life is lovely. Another Project Life sticker, which I'll probably distress a little bit and do something. These I just sewed down this music paper and just put some lace on there, so I've got to put a tag or something in there. Just put some stickers on there, and then some coffee dyed, and then another sticker there, collect moments not things, another little writing space, but I'll probably do something to cover this over. This one I've just put some little, you know, the sticker sheets that you get. I've got loads, so I thought I'd decorate this page, which you saw in the video yesterday was from just a magazine or a book, and I've just put some hearts on it as well. And then on this page I've just done a decorative edge with my fancy Victorian cutting scissors. I like that edge actually. I'm going to use that more. So I've just put some coffee dyed paper there. You can write on there. This one needs something. I put a pocket here, and this is a tag die from AliExpress, so I'm going to probably make a couple more of those to go in the journal, and I've just put a sticker on there. That's one of the old photographs that I have that I've just printed, scanned in and printed, and then I've put a little bit of that gold on there. This one, this is a Tim Holtz, from a Tim Holtz thing pack, and then another sticker. Not done anything to that one. This is another of those vintage photos. I've just made it into a pocket, and this was from a dictionary, and it's marriage, so I just put that over there because I thought that'd be cute. This is some old wallpaper that I had, and in here is that pocket from the piano roll, which was a tutorial which you'll see on another video, which I've put the link to Amity Bloom, how to make it, and there's just that heart in there, and then one of the photos of me and Charmin as a journaling spot. So there's lots, and there's a bit there to journal on. So, and getting married, look at that, I love that one. And that says romantic location, so I'm going to pop that in there. Just made that from some wallpaper and just made it into a pocket, covered it in graph paper the other side. Here I've got to do something because I don't quite like that page. That's the center of that one. This is a Project Life sticker, so I just thought, well, I've got loads of them and it gives me writing space. That's the other side of that wallpaper pocket, and then I've got another photo of me and Charmin and just put a little sticker on there, and that's got coffee dyed paper, and then I've got the pages there. I put life is, that's a lovely sticker, and this is the one, look, this is going to be sort of into it when we get married. So today is the day. This is a Project Life sticker. I can write on here, and this is a Tim Holtz couple, and I've just put some coffee dyed paper, and I need to stick that down because that's coming up, and I'm going to probably put some, distress that a little bit. And then this was just out of an old book, but I liked it. It's just sky. I just thought it was quite cute. It says laugh, some old graph lined paper, and then I need to do something here. So I need to make things for the pockets This one I just covered in newspaper, old book page, but I'm not quite happy with that. I might, don't know, do something with that. Here I had some fabric, which is, you know, like a map or whatever, atlas, what do you call it? So I made that into a fabric pocket. Now the Queen Christine, we went on that. We actually went on that ship, and that's us on the ship, the little boat ship, whatever you want to call it. So I thought that that would be super cute. So all I've done is just turned that into a fabric pocket. We've got the other side of the music paper, which we've got lace on. More stickers. I've just put loads of stickers in them at the moment. This is the bit from the book that I used, and that was a letter that I'd written to Charmin, which I've kept, and I've just put some lined paper on there to write on. And then this is just coffee dyed, put a little bit of decoration there, more coffee dyed paper. So all I basically have done is gone through all the pages and covered over bits, so I've got writing space, put some nice stickers on. Look, love is in the air next to the aeroplane, quite cute. This was another one of those pockets, piano roll pockets, but what I've done is I've actually glued it in. I need to put some string on that, and then you've got another picture there of me and Charmin sipping pina coladas, and then you've got writing space, so I need to put some string on that. And I just put 2 Project Life cards on there, and this is 2 wedding ones from Project Life. And then I put another one of them photos, so I've got to put a tag in there. I need to cover that with something. I've put some more stickers just so I can write some notes of things. That's the envelope thing that you saw me decorate the other day. And this, I don't know if there's much done here. This needs to be covered still. I need to do some collaging, I think. I need to do something with that. So I haven't done much in the back. I made this tag. Or it's not a tag, it's a flip out. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put a couple of sheets of ripped coffee dyed paper and just sew it down, so I've got like a little booklet. This is a die from AliExpress, and there's a pocket there, so I'll show you that die. And I need to just decorate this up a little bit more. So, oh, and this is one of the business cards from like a restaurant we went to when we first arrived in Rhodes. So I've made it into a little pocket there, so I need to make a tag for that, put some more paper in that. So I've still got a few bits to do. Put something on there so we can write. I've just put a wonderful sticker, and you can see the back I haven't done an awful lot to, so I need to. I've just been putting some coffee dyed paper, and here it's Lovebird, Love Bite, Love Child, Celebrate Today, so I've just covered that bit, and that one you saw me do the other day. So that is what I've done so far. So what I've got left to do are some tags, and I have got some more Project Life cards, which are from the marriage pack, so I might use a few of these in there, but I need to definitely, I'm not sure about the grey, so I need to do something with these. Look, just married. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to do this on camera now, I just wanted to show you what I've done so far, and then I'll show you, I'll video the rest of the things. I'm sorry I got a bit carried away, but I hope that you like the journal. It is not far from finished, so I just need a couple of sessions in here, just to, you know, make some tags and some journaling cards and put some more writing space in here, because we love our little bits of ephemera that we can write on. So that's all I've got to do now. I hope you like it. I mean, I'm very sort of OCD, and that not being straight is kind of bugging me a little bit, but I like the lovebird dangles on there. But I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you like the journal so far. Please let me know what you think. and I will be back sometime this week to finish this little one off, ready for me to take, not long now. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.